the
How do you know
6-yard
about that?
line.
They email me all the time.
Greg Dunsmore said the game.
There's a game tonight, National Football League, Dallas and Arizona at
He's a guy that
7:30.
like to throw to in the red zone. First hit in the backfield by Gordon. Got rid of it complete to Ebert. And out of bounds right at the first down marker.
Lightning are playing the Thrashers tonight at 7.
Quarterback draw.